Why the airbag warning light is on. Water contamination in the airbag control unit, also called the SRS Control Module or SRSCM, can cause corrosion of internal circuits, short circuits or signal loss, permanent fault codes that trigger the airbag warning light. Other common causes include faulty impact or seatbelt sensors, damaged wiring or connectors, faulty clockspring in the steering wheel, malfunctioning airbag module. How to replace the airbag control unit, ACU. Important, always disconnect the battery and wait at least 3-5 minutes before working on airbag components to prevent accidental deployment. Tools needed: socket set 10 mm, 12 mm, trim removal tools, torque wrench optional, OBD2 scanner for clearing codes after installation. Step-by-step replacement guide. 1. Disconnect the battery. Remove the negative terminal of the battery. Wait 3-5 minutes to discharge the airbag system. 2. Locate the ACU. The airbag control module is usually located under the center console, below the gear shifter area. 3. Remove center console if required. Use trim tools to remove plastic trims and covers. Unscrew bolts holding the console. Lift it carefully to expose the ACU. 4. Disconnect the ACU. You'll see the rectangular airbag module, usually with yellow connectors, airbag standard. Press the release tab and pull the connectors off. Remove 3-4 bolts securing the module to the floor. 5. Install the new refurbished ACU. Place the new unit in the same position. Torque bolts properly, usually around 7-10 nanometers. Check service manual. Reconnect all connectors firmly and securely. 6. Reassemble the console. Put everything back in reverse order. Ensure no cables are pinched or loose. 7. Reconnect battery. Reconnect the negative terminal. 8. Clear airbag DTCs. Use an OBD2 scanner with SRS capability to clear stored codes. If the module is still coded for another VIN, reprogramming may be needed. Dealer or advanced scan tool like Hyundai GDS. Programming ACU variant coding. Use Hyundai GDS or a compatible scanner to read the new module. Perform ACU variant coding, VIN specific. Clear any stored fault codes. Notes: used ACUs often need VIN recoding and crash data clearing. Many times they are VIN locked. It's safer to use a new or factory refurbished ACU. If water intrusion occurred, check for leaks windshield. Floor AC drain to prevent future failure.